Freak out. Freak out. Suddenly feel extremely surprised, upset, angry, or confused. I was freak out when I saw my birthday gift. Crack up. Crack up. To crack up is to suddenly start laughing. The students cracked up as the music teacher entered the class wearing a weird cap. Stir up. Stir up. When you make someone feel an emotion, you stir it up. The pictures stirred up a lot of memories. Calm down. Calm down. It is used to describe the process of going from angry to more relaxed and calm. You need to calm down before talking to your mother. Bottle up. Bottle up. When someone hides their feelings and failed to express. It is not healthy to bottle up your feelings. Cheer up. Cheer up. It is used to encourage others to have a positive attitude. I'm going to take my sister to a basketball game to help cheer her up. Lash out. Lash out. When someone suddenly and unexpectedly speaks to other person in an angry way. The math teacher always lashes out at students when she's under stress. Choke up. Choke up. When you feel such strong emotion that it's difficult for you to talk, this is called choking up. He choked up when he started to talk about the last New Year he spent with his mother. Let down. Let down. It means to disappoint someone. I'm really sorry. I know I let you down. Grow on. Grow on. When you don't like something at the first impression, but gradually you being to like it more and more, that thing has grown on you. At first I don't like swimming, but then it grown on me. Groof off or grewed around. Groof off or grewed around. It means to act silly, not being serious. The teacher said, "Pay attention and stop groofing off." Lighten up. Lighten up. It means to take things less seriously, not be so rigid and humorless. She really needs to lighten up.